Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unboxing for you. Now for those of you that saw my video yesterday, you'll know that I'm literally just about to go on holiday and I actually have to leave my house in an hour to get to the airport. Now I was just getting my suitcase down the stairs and getting the last few bits together, and the postman knocked on the door and delivered this box. So I thought I'd very quickly set up my camera and do a last unboxing for you before I head away for a holiday. Now let's get straight into the video, because like I said, I have got to finish packing the last few bits. I need to get my passport out and all the rest of it. So now the reason that I'm unboxing it this way round is because there's a lot of address details on the front, and that is because it has had to come through customs, and this is all the way from Slovakia. Now Slovakia is a country in Central Europe, and this was sent to me very kindly from a mint there called the Pressburg Mint. Now we'll leave a link to the Pressburg Mint in the description of this video, so you can go and check out their website. But full disclosure, they have sent me this to unbox on the channel. So I haven't actually had to buy any of the items in here. They asked me which items I was interested in for them to send me, and I said I wasn't sure, because if you have a look on their website, there's so many different things to choose from. So it's really exciting for me as well, because I don't know exactly what items they've sent me. And like I said, when I've looked at their different products on their website, you can see that they have a large array of different items. Now, I'll shout out to Backyard Bullion, because I actually discovered the Pressburg Mint via one of his videos. He was showcasing some coins that they had sent him, and I thought I'd go and check them out. And they do have some really, really nice pieces on their website, so definitely go and check them out. Now let's get straight into the unboxing. Like I said, I'm actually really excited to see what they've chosen. Really, really nicely packaged. Wow, look at this. Really nicely packaged. So you can see they've sent, wow, they sent me more than one item. So they've got 1 ounce of silver there. Pressburg Mint. Now I should have opened this box the other way around, but like I said, the reason I chose to do it this way around is because there's a lot of paperwork on the front that tells my address. Wow, look at these items. So we've got another 1 ounce silver coin there. Another piece here, look at that, it's like a clock. That's really cool. Wow, okay, there's lots in here. So you've got another silver coin here. Another box. That doesn't say what it is. EQ23, not sure what that is. Now we've got another 1 ounce silver coin here as well. Wow, they've actually sent me so much stuff. Is there anything else in here? No, just got the packaging. And lots of these things that get everywhere. I know Cobra Stacker loves these, so I might package these up and send them his way. Right, so, wow, look at all the stuff they've sent. Really, really generous. So first of all, I want to say thank you very much to Pressburg Mint for kind of sponsoring this video, if you like, by sending me these items to showcase. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Now, I did not expect them to send me 6 items. I thought it was just going to be 1 item. So, yeah, really, really generous and really, really kind of them to do that. I think what I'm going to do, because like I said, I'm on a time scale here because I do need to finish packing, and I would like to showcase all of these coins in full detail instead of rushing through them. So I think what we'll do is we will have a look at one of the coins now, and we'll save the other 5 coins for a future video. So let's pick one of these boxed coins to showcase first, because I think these ones are going to be the most exciting for people, because you can already kind of see some of the designs on these coins. So what we're going to do, we're going to put these ones away, and when I get back from our holiday, we'll unbox the rest of these and go through them in more detail. So let's focus on this one for now. As you can see, it's really nicely packaged. It's got kind of this plastic wrap around it, and it's in a case, and it's got a cardboard case around it as well. So really, really well protected. So I'm really interested to see what this coin looks like. Now, I don't want to damage the box at all. Now let me know in the comment section if you've heard of this mint before, because up until Backyard Bullion released his video, I hadn't actually heard of this mint before. So I do need to do a little bit more research into kind of the background of this mint and their kind of history. But so far I'm really, really impressed. Their packaging is really, really nice. From when we originally spoke, it only took around 4 or 5 days, I believe, for it to arrive here in the UK. So really, really quick delivery considering it's come across the sea. But yeah, let's see what we've got in here. So this is like a box that slides out. Wow, look at that. It's almost like a leather case. Look at that. This is like a leather. It's not plastic. It's an actual like leather material. Let's have a look what we've got. Wow, look at that. Look at that coin. It's got like a gemstone in it. Wow. That is an absolutely beautiful piece of silver. We have got 1 ounce fine silver, 4 nines, so pretty much the purest silver you can get in a silver coin. It says equilibrium on the top. Don't know if you can see that, just there. Wow, really, really nice piece. I need to do some more research into the kind of background of this coin. 2023 $2 face. I like this kind of matte finish on the back. It's quite nice. It's got more of a kind of plain design on the back, because it even more so makes you appreciate the amount of detail that's in the front. Now this coin is amazing. It's got so much going on. It's got some mirror effect on it. Look at that thing in the middle. It's like a gemstone. I've never seen a coin with a gemstone in it like that. Wow, look at even around here, all the intricate detail. Now that is an absolutely gorgeous piece of silver. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this coin. I'm glad I went for this one for the only one to unbox before I go away, but that is absolutely stunning. Now let's have a little look at the COA and see if we've got any more detail about the actual coin in here. So you can see this is the COA. Ah, here we go. So it's the Equilibrium 2023 1 ounce 4 nines fine silver proof coin. The yin yang is an especially important and popular representation of harmony sprouting from the rich Asian tradition in philosophy. Equilibrium, a state in which opposing forces or influences are balanced. 1 troy ounce proof finish, only 1,000 pieces. Wow, so there's only actually 1,000 of these minted, which makes it even more special. You can see the face value on there and the size and all the rest of it, and we have number 210 out of 1,000. So wow, really, really cool piece. And again, that's the Pressburg Mint's website on the back there if you want to go and check them out. Wow. Very, very generous of you to send me this coin. Now, like I said, I will unbox the other 5 on a future video. But that is really, really spectacular. Let me see how easy this capsule is to undo, because if I can get this capsule undone, it'll be nice to show you it in all its glory. There we go. Wow. Now I can't take the coin out because I haven't got my cotton gloves on me. But that is an absolutely gorgeous piece of silver. So much detail going on. You don't even know where to look because there's so much going on. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous piece of silver. Let me just show you the other side. Now the other side is a little bit of an anti-climax, but like I said, it's quite nice that it's plain because I quite like this kind of frosted effect on the back. And you've got the reeded edge on the coin there. But yeah, absolutely beautiful piece. Really, really nice. Yeah, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Once again, thank you very much, Pressburg Mint, for sending me this piece to unbox on the channel. And I can't wait to get back from my holiday and go through all the other pieces, because if they're half as good as that piece, then we're in for a treat. Wow. Very, very nice indeed. Pop it back in there. What a gorgeous piece. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and keep a lookout for when I get back and we'll go through the other coins in the package. As always, thanks very much for all the support. Thank you to everyone that subscribes to my channel. Without all of your support and all your subscriptions and all your comments and likes and all the rest of it, I wouldn't be able to make these videos, because I wouldn't have companies willing to send me items to unbox on the channel. So it's thanks to everyone that's watching my videos to make these videos possible. So like I said, we've got 5 more to unbox in a future video. Really looking forward to seeing what's in this one, especially because I'm guessing it's going to be another limited mintage one if it's come in a box like this. So yeah, as always, thanks very much for watching, and I will see you when I get back.